How to remove a card on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually remove your card on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove a card, which means a bank account, debit card or credit card that you might have added to your Cash App before, you just need to open the Cash App on your phone. Then you will see this type of interface, obviously, where you just need to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon from the top right, if you actually scroll down over here, you will find the option that says linked banks. When you go to the linked banks section over here, let me come back and tap on linked banks, you'll be able to see a list of bank as well as a card that you've added. So if there is a specific debit card you've added, you can tap on the debit card. When you tap on the debit card, you'll have two more options, which is to change the debit card, replace it, or remove it. If you want to remove it, just tap the remove button. In case you have not yet added a debit card, you can just tap the link debit card option over here, enter the debit card number, the expiration month and the year, the 3-digit CVV code, as well as your zip or your postal code. Tap on link card. If your details are correct, your card will be successfully linked, and similarly you can just come back to this page in order to remove the card from your Cash App account. This is simply how you can remove card from Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.